In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order on Etsy. If you're keen on tracking down an order you've placed or simply reviewing your purchase history, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this simple journey to find out exactly where your orders are on Etsy. First things first, we'll need to head over to Etsy's main site, open your preferred web browser, and type in etsy.com or simply click on any Etsy link if you have one ready. Once you're on Etsy's homepage, you may get a bit distracted by all the unique and exciting items on display. But let's keep our focus for now on finding your order details. Once you're on Etsy's homepage, look for the profile icon. This is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. The profile icon is where all your account-related actions will take place. Clicking here will give you access to a drop-down menu with several options that are tailored to you as a shopper. Next, you'll want to locate the section labeled Orders. Clicking on this option will direct you to a detailed page of your recent and past transactions. Here, you'll see a list of all the orders you've placed, complete with details like the seller, item names, expected delivery dates, and the order's current status. This page is a great way to keep track of everything you've purchased, especially if you're an avid Etsy shopper. If you are eager to delve into your shopping history, there's an easy way to do that too. On this same Orders page, there's a section that allows you to view all your completed purchases. Simply click on the Completed tab and you'll be taken to a comprehensive list of everything you've ordered in the past. It's a handy feature for those moments when you want to reorder something you loved or check back on a gift you sent to a friend. Tracking your order becomes straightforward by following these simple steps. But here's a little tip. Always make sure you're logged into your Etsy account before starting this process, as the order history is tied to your specific account. This ensures that the order details you pull up are yours and yours alone. If ever in doubt, checking your email for order confirmations can be a helpful backup. With these steps successfully completed, you should now have all the tools you need to check any orders on Etsy with ease. Thanks for watching, and may your shopping experience be as pleasant as possible. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.